40.
Going in clouds now.
Yeah, try to cut the left side. Well,
30 feet.
510-1.
20.
And that was Viper 7-1.
10. Contact.
Going to be coming on the left just a little bit.
Got disconnect. Okay, he's sliding to the right now.
so 3.7 total between the two.
Center.
Okay, I got a visual.
Roger, comes yours.
100.
A U.S. Air Force KC-135 stratotanker connects with Air Force F-16s over Iraq on 28 November 2021. The tanker is deployed with U.S. Air Force's Central Command and delivers fuel to U.S. and coalition forces in the region.
10 feet.
Take it. 7-1. 7 traffic. 12 o'clock.
Alright, see how much it took.
Just drop it straight down.
Took
Slide
like
back.
3.4.
7.2 took 3.4. Up 2.
Down or up?
Up 2.
I think it's 7-1.
Working here, man.
Got a disconnect. Just dropping straight down. About to. By the boom, I got the boom stowed for now.
Copy out.